It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Prasad's Motula. In today's video, we are going to talk about KTM's youngest super sports offering in Indian market, RC125. Firstly, I want to thank KTM East Mumbai showroom and Mr. Shekhar for providing the bike for review. For people from Mumbai, I have given showroom details in the description below. So now let's start the video. But before starting this video, press that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update on my channel. Now let's start the video. RC125, the entry level super sport bike from KTM. It is meant to provide the race-like performance in your everyday ride. It is perfect for those who are new to riding but want racing DNA in their every ride. When you first look at it, it appears to be a serious and committed super sports. The bold RC graphic on white panel may seem very aggressive. I personally like the bold appearance of this baby RC. On looks front, I give it a 10 and 10 rating. Although the looks are subjective, the thing that matters the most is the performance. RC125 has got 124.7cc single cylinder liquid cooled fuel injected engine producing the power of 14.3 bhp at 9250 rpm and maximum torque of 12 Nm at 8000 rpm. These are the highest power figures which are seen on any 125cc production bike that is present in India. We compare these power figures with any 150cc bikes available in India right now. With the high revving nature of this bike, you can definitely enjoy the pleasure of riding. The engine is mated with 6-speed gearbox. To stop any high performance bike, you need that aggressive braking too. RC125 is equipped with Vibra brake with 300 mm disc at front and 230 mm disc at rear. ABS is offered as standard safety feature in RC125. This bike is provided with 10 liters of fuel tank and with mileage of 41.3 km per liter. It will definitely return you 400 km of range approximately. Let's look at the suspension now. The suspension system on RC125 is handled by 43 mm diameter USD front forks by WP and WP monoshock at rear. RC125 has got 178 mm of ground clearance that takes you over all that speed breakers without scraping the underbelly. For a good performance bike, you need good and grippy tires too. RC125 has got MRF RevZ FC1 110 by 70 section 17-inch tire at front and MRF RevZ C1 150 by 60 section 17-inch tire at the rear. The tires are fitted on those awesome looking orange alloys which stand out in the crowd. As this bike is meant to be ridden every day, it is equipped with twin projector headlamp for better visibility in the night. It has got that white DRLs at front. The mirror integrated indicators look so awesome. It has also got LED tail light and indicators too. Switchgear on RC125 are backlit and have engine cutoff and engine starter switch on the right hand side and pass light indicator and horn switch on the left hand side. To get the sporty riding position, RC125 pegs are rear set and clip-on handlebars are given to get the committed riding position. When you look at the instrument cluster, it has got all telltale light and 2 buttons to change mode and set. These clusters give you all the required information like speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, trip meter, gear position indicator and etc. It is easily readable in direct sunlight also. Now let's hear the sound of this beautiful machine. So friends, I hope you like this machine. If you are new to riding and looking for the machine that gives you sport bike feel, RC125 is the one for you. As purchasing this small capacity motorcycle will not be matter to most of the parents. So happy riding to all you folks. If you like this video, give thumbs up and comment down below which feature of RC125 you like the most. That's it for the today's video. This is Prasad signing off. Bye bye, take care and keep riding.